the reset strategy for lateral coxa or for abducting the hip. You're going to take the hip that you want to work on and you're going to stand with that hip away from the wall. You're then going to take the opposite leg and bring it towards the wall and then rotate the foot so that the toes are touching the wall. From here, you're going to bend the knee and bring the elbow into the wall, and then you're going to push into the wall, engaging the outside of the leg and the outside of the heel. And come out, and then you'll do that again. You're going to do this 10 to 12 times, really engaging the outside of the leg. That's the lateral coxa exercise.